Welcome to Selema's video tutorial on how to use ClimateStudio's view analysis workflow to determine eligibility for the LEED Quality Views credit. I'll be using this office model that includes some nearby vegetation and urban art. If you're modeling for LEED compliance, make sure all permanent interior obstructions are included in your model. Movable furniture and partitions may be excluded. Click on the View Analysis icon in the ClimateStudio toolbar to open the ClimateStudio Workflows tab. This workflow only has two input parameters, materials and areas. First, click on the materials input, which includes a layer, material, and view tag column. Objects on layers without an assigned material will be ignored by the simulation. Make sure that your glazings have a visible light transmittance, or VLT, above 40% as is required by LEED version 4.1. All layers that represent exterior vision glazing must be marked with a vision glass tag, which we can see is the case for my curtain walls and windows. Any layers containing features of visual interest such as nature, movement, art, and urban landmarks should also be tagged in the view tag column. Second, click on the Areas input and select the Add Occupied Floor Areas button. I'm going to select all the grid surfaces in my model and press Enter. You can leave the default values as is. Go back to the ClimateStudio Workflows tab and press the Start button. After the calculation has run its course, make sure the LEED tab is selected. Here you can view results for both LEED version 4 and version 4.1. The building dashboard contains key metrics and results for understanding the LEED Quality Views simulation. In both LEED versions, a building can receive the credit if at least 75% of all regularly occupied floor areas possess a quality view to the outdoor natural or urban environment. As we can see in my version 4.1 results, I have a quality views value of 82.5%, and it confirms here that I'm LEED compliant. Looking at our version 4 results, I have a different quality views value of 83%. This is because quality views is defined differently in version 4 than it is in version 4.1, but both versions rely on combinations of the following view types. A Type 1 view, which is only considered in version 4, has two lines of sight to vision glazing at least 90 degrees apart. A Type 2 view includes vision to sky and context, and a Type 3 view is a view to the exterior vision glazing from a distance within 3 times the head height of the glass. Clicking on the specific view types will update the grid surface with the associated results. Below the building dashboard, we have the room table, which lists the percentage of view type for each regularly occupied floor area. Click on the rightmost PDF generator icon to create your automated credit compliance report. Upload your company logo and select if you want floor-by-floor summaries and press OK. Let's take a quick look at our LEED Quality Views report. The first page of our report gives an overview of our model along with all of the results from our view analysis simulation. The following pages are organized by level and include room-specific information such as area, spacing, and view type percentages. Lastly, the appendix contains details on your software and layer settings. For up-to-date details on the workflow and submission procedure, follow the help link here. As of summer 2020, the US GBC started accepting ClimateStudio reports for LEED Quality Views compliancy. Until their online form has updated to allow for this option, please add this language to the Special Circumstances section of the LEED Online Credit form. Thank you for watching and happy simulations!